IBIS is the one and only business objects event of the year. And if you use business objects in your organization, you need to be attending IBIS.
My main reasons for attending IBIS this year are networking, keeping up on any updates and new features within InfoSol's product offering, and also just keeping a finger on the pulse of the industry around data analytics and business objects.
IBIS, I think, especially most recently, is the one that's most focused towards business objects. And I've been using business objects for going on 30 years now. And so that's why me and my colleagues chose to come here.
There's a lot of collaboration and people feel very approachable and are open to questions and talking through different scenarios and showing different things, and I think that's pretty wonderful to be able to get that hands-on, one-on-one interaction with everyone.
I am incredibly passionate about this community because we all share a love for the technology, but also because of the trust and loyalty that has been built up over the years with all of us, sharing common experiences, common stories, and kind of fighting like the good fight in corporate to show that this technology is light years ahead of its time.
Oh, my skill set has been improved immensely. I found I was doing some things long division, and I found some shortcuts, but I believe my favorite aspect of this conference was being able to speak with other people who use the application, and the camaraderie, and the food was good too, don't get me wrong.
The leadership is a trustworthy leadership. They are committed, they're very passionate about what they do. They never disappoint in terms of having new insights, new guidance, new direction, as well as new things they're doing within the data analytics space. And that's been indispensable for us as an organization.
Folks here have a wealth of information, tons of years of experience about what's going on with business objects now, what's going on with business objects in the future, and then of course also there's the additional benefits of learning about the dashboarding and squirrel tools.
I am very passionate about this community because every year our team decides that we are going to make this the best IBIS ever. And the way we do that is to actually take care of people by giving them the best accommodations, the most amazing food, and memorable experiences.